to another video, loves. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Back with the house tour. So today we are actually creating our own challenge, the Hastings Family Challenge, and this is a challenge that everybody can take part in. You can make it dirty, you can make it clean, you can make it however you want it, but the idea is everybody can take part, and at the end of it we're going to be tagging people. So make sure you all tag people to do the Hastings Family Challenge because it's gonna be so good. This is a song competition, our DJ competition, sing J competition, whatever you want to call it. The idea is that we have 6 words, okay? He chose 3 and I chose 3. Disclaimer, we ain't singers. I mean, I sing pretty well when I'm in the bedroom. Each round we use one of the words. He gets to go and I get to go. But here's the thing, when it's his go, me have to create the rhythm. When it's my go, he creates the rhythm. So what's gonna happen is I want y'all to comment down below who won each round and who was the overall winner. I know I'm gonna be the winner. I know I'm gonna be the winner, because why wouldn't I be the winner? Give me a rhythm, sir.
Alright, we're on a TV.
The word is TV. Okay. Please, can you just pick one? I don't watch TV. YouTube, Fire Stick. I'm on your TV, you're on the TV, everybody on my TV. Hey, I don't watch TV. You go because
so me have to jump on TV. Man.
I'm not doing very well with the TV. So you
So me on your TV, you see me, you sure? You see me? I see you. You see me? You sure? TV there, TV did it. Watch TV, TV, VT.
second word is Jesus. Hello. Stop reading today. Stop reading today.
I don't read him that.
No, we can't do that. I want like a bass. Give me like a rhythm. Jesus love me, this I know. For the Bible tell me so. They want to it be enough. They are weak, but our Father. J-E-S-U-S. 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 He gives you strength. Ow, 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 ow. He gives you hope. Ow, 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 ow. He gives you, hey, nothing can stop you. I mean, I'm Jesus. Hey, nothing can stop you. Bam. Talk to me nice. You can't beat that.
Give him a rhythm. Give him a rhythm.
You can't beat it.
Give him a rhythm. Give him a rhythm. Clean. Right, Jesus. Right, Jesus. I'm clean. Always clean like Jesus.
Slippers.
Jesus clean like me.
Hey.
See him how we clean. See him how we clean. We are clean twinny.
You don't say me win because I didn't repeat the lyrics. So me alone bring originality.
I'm not reaching another verse yet.
Me not play with food.
Rhythm.
Me not play with food.
Rhythm.
Monday a chicken, Tuesday a veggie, Wednesday a... Hit it. Why Mary not tell the lyrics after the show? start it.
Let me the lyrics. Ready? Baby, I love you. Baby, you love me? I love you like cook food. Don't tell me say me corny. Me not corny. Me not like corn though. I love you like cook food but not corn. Oh, corn drop in. Maybe when I buy the food up a pop in.
Word wife. When you sit down on it, you know you are wife. You clean, you good, you see right. Just wait on your turn. Make sure you can spin and turn. You must get the ring. Even better than when I lie. So you jump on it, and then on it, and then
you are my wife for life.
My wife for life.
My wife for life. For life. Me I gonna treat you good. Me I gonna treat you right. Dog. You, I'm a wife for life. My wife for life. My wife for life. Me I gonna fly you all about like a kite. Now stab you with no knife. That no right.
Babe, you know what you couldn't turn artists do? Dead ass. Alright guys, so the next word is car. Stop now, you mess up my flow, dog. Give me one steady beat, dog. You hear that? And the sound of the car. Beep beep, mind out the way, hey.
You have a car. You have enough car. Enough car. Car. No. Car. You have enough car. Enough car. You car. No. Honestly. Car.
Alright, the last word is baby.
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 You read it already?
Yeah.
Every time I say you read it papa already. The Jean singing in your back then already. Every time I say you ready, you're ready.
Baby. Oh, you have to say it.
Baby! Picture this. Breast specialist.
My turn on Baby. 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 B-A-B-Y. 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 It take 9 months. Me still stable. Me thing close off. My man not left. All my still clean. Pay some money for money pull up.
Yeah, never reach the peak yet. Come here, baby. You're going to wait for it drop.
Never say baby. Yeah.
You said it 9 months.
But never say baby.
It was a baby.
Me spell it.
Oh, yeah, it did.
We forgot to mention that we're sipping something tonight.
You want a blessing. You're my blessing. You're my blessing. You can't be baby. You can't be baby. You are blessing. Yeah. Baby, I love you. You can't be baby. Baby, I love you. You can't be baby. More about 10 more, baby, 10 more, baby. You might come out of your womb. So
Not this.
Drop. Why
Not this.
Why
Not this.
Why not?
This one.
Why not?
Our.
Why
No, sir.
Why
In
not?
our.
Baby for born. Baby for born. You can't scorn. Baby for born. One heap of Sean, one heap of Dawn, one heap of early, man, name crying. One titty.
Alright guys, so that is it. this brings us to the end of our video. Remember people, it's the Hastings Family Challenge. It's just about fun and games. So the people we tag are, of course, Sue and Shami. Those are the first two that we tag, and of course secondly we tag Nisha and Ziggy. I cannot wait to see y'all videos. It's gonna be absolutely hilarious. Comment down below who won. I mean, it's obvious I won. Obviously I won. Guys, we have to shout out our notification gang. So I wonder who first was notification gang on the last video. So this week's notification gang shout out goes to Moya's Makeup and Life. I think I'm saying it right. Shout out to you, girl. But thank you guys overall for all the love on the last video, because you know got in on the last video and you did a good job. You did a good job. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys were entertained by this video and had as much fun as we did. Until next time, we'll see you in another video. Bye.